Good morning. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
children.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
Michelle. Switch on your videos, all of you. How are you, Anlia? Dion? What is this, Dion? Huh? You looks like a robot. Dion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about yesterday? I have sent some homework questions. Did you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you
Yes, ma'am.
tried? Hmm?
And yesterday I went outside, so I could
Ah,
not do.
Okay, you do one thing today after the class today itself. You complete all of you complete those
Okay, ma'am.
questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Shall we start our class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last day we have started factorization by regrouping the terms
Ma'am,
we just
Yes,
started,
ma'am.
isn't it?
ma'am,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have given the homework that I completed up to 9 questions.
Completed all the questions
No, ma'am, up to 9.
up to 9. Okay, you do one thing after the class you complete. Abhinav completed all, isn't it? Abhinav sent a message. Yes, good Abhinav. Okay. So let us continue with our regrouping. I think one question I have explained.
Yes, ma'am.
We will do
2x
some.
plus
Ah,
2xy plus
okay.
2.
We will do some more questions. 1 second. Today we have 2 periods, isn't it?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, only one.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
One,
Only one
two,
period.
two periods.
Two period.
One, two
Two period.
periods.
Ma'am, continuous for 8:30 to 9:15, 9:15 to 10 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, one more question we will do. Listen to the board. Listen to the board. Next question is factorize. Factorize 6xy minus 4y, 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. 6xy.
Ma'am, ma'am, you
Yes.
told to study the identities.
Identities we need the identity. After this exercise, next is using identities. First we have done factorization by method of common factors. This is regrouping. Next is by using identities.
Okay, ma'am.
Factorization using identities. So for that process we need the use of identities. Okay,
Ma'am,
so this is regrouping, second
ma'am,
type. Yes.
ma'am, now with this class test.
Class? No classes. You just started a lesson only now.
Okay.
Okay, so here factorization using regrouping. The question will be only factorize. We need to select how can we, either by using common factors, regrouping, or the next identity. So this is, see, in this uh, term 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9, there is no common factors, isn't it? For all the
Ma'am,
terms, there is no
variable.
common factors. So what we will
Ma'am,
do, we will
variable.
uh,
Ma'am, variable.
variable also, no common variables, no common variable because 6 has no
Yes, sir.
variable. So in this type of questions, we need to regroup the terms. Which of the terms can we regroup?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 6.
6xy minus 4y.
6xy and minus 4y we can regroup. Okay, because y is common,
Y is
2 also common, isn't it? So we can write 6xy minus 4y in one bracket plus 6 minus 9x in the next bracket. And the 6xy we can write 3
Ma'am,
into
3 into
2
2
into
into
x
x
into
into
y minus 2 into 2 into y plus 6, 3 into 2 minus 3 into 3 into x. These are the factors. And from the first bracket, which of the factors can we take outside common factors?
Ma'am, 2y.
2 is a common factor,
Y.
y also common factor. So we will take 2y outside, 2 into y. 2 into y. 2 and y are we are taking from the first bracket. And what is remaining?
Ma'am,
Remaining is
3.
3x minus 3x minus
Ma'am,
2.
3.
Only one,
Ma'am,
2 we have taken outside. One is remaining, isn't it? So 2y into 3x minus 2 plus here 3 is common. So that 3 we are taking outside. Remaining is 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x. Okay, see here it is 3 minus 2x. Here 2 minus 3x. If it is 3x minus 2x, that will be common. So what can we do? How can we make the second bracket into 3x minus 2?
3x plus 2.
First bracket is 3x minus 2. Second bracket is 2 minus 3x. If this also 3x minus 2, we can take 1 3x minus 2 common from both the terms. How can we make that?
Ma'am, 3x plus 2.
2 minus 3x, how can we change 3x minus 2?
Ma'am, 2 plus 3. 3.
How can we change?
Repeat the question.
Hmm?
Can you repeat
Ma'am,
the question?
Ma'am, 3 by 2.
Question, I will repeat. See, here it is 3x minus 2. If this also 3x minus 2, we can take that 3x minus 2 outside as a common factor.
Ma'am, we should do the formula. That one.
No, see, not by formula. I will explain how. See, if it is a minus b, suppose we are multiplying this a minus b by a negative. What will happen? What will happen? Minus a plus b, isn't it? If we multiply bracket or a number by a negative sign, the sign of all the terms in the bracket will change. Like x minus y. When we multiply by a negative, it will be negative into x, negative x. Negative into negative y plus y. So it will be y minus x. So x minus y will become y minus x when we multiply throughout all the terms by a negative. Understood? P minus Q can be changed into Q minus P by multiplying by a negative sign. So, what can we do here? Here, 2y into 3x minus 2. This plus we can change into minus. Simply we cannot multiply by a negative. So, plus we can change into minus. Minus is what? Minus is negative plus. So we are converting this plus into minus. So I'm not changing anything. Plus I can write minus. Minus is positive. So minus 3 into 2 minus 3x I wrote. Next step, 2y into 3x minus 2 minus 3 into this minus only I am taking into inside. So it is negative 2 plus 3x. That is 2y into 3x minus 2 minus 3 into this I can write 3x minus 2. 3x positive I wrote first. Minus 2 plus 3x. I wrote 3x first, then minus 2. Understood?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there was one x now between 2 and y.
2 and y. Here, the first term, no x. We have that x is here. We took y, 2y outside. Remaining 3x is here. Now, see, 3x minus 2 is common. That we have taken outside. Remaining is 2y minus 3. These are the factors. We will do many questions of the step so that you will be
So 1 minute.
Okay. No problem. Okay, children, I will explain once again. Same question, I will explain once again. The question is, read the question. Question is,
Factorize
Ma'am,
6x
6xy minus 4y
minus
plus
4y
6
plus
minus
6
9x.
minus 9x.
6 minus 9x. Okay. So here we regrouped these terms. Now 6xy, what can we do? Say 6xy is
3 into
Can you show
3
the
into
last
2 into
slide?
x into
we are
y.
doing it. Listen to the board. Listen to the
Yeah.
board. Minus 2 into 2 into
2 into
y
x into y.
plus 6 again 3 into 2 minus 3 into 3 into
3
x.
into x.
Now collect the common factors. From the first bracket, common factors are 2 and y.
Y.
That 2 and y we are taking outside. Remaining what? Remaining is 3x minus 2.
2.
3x and minus 2. Plus, here 3 is common. That 3 we have taken outside. 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x. And one bracket is 3x minus 2. Other bracket is 2 minus 3x. From this condition, we cannot take any common factors. One is 3x minus 2, other one is 2 minus 3. There is a difference between negative. So to make 2 minus 3x into 3x minus 2, what we are doing, we need a negative sign. So for getting that negative sign, we convert this plus into minus minus. We convert the plus into minus minus into 3. 3 into 2 minus 3x. That is 2y into 3x minus 2 minus. This negative sign only I am taking into the bracket. So it is negative 2 plus 3x. Understood? Negative only we are taking because 2 minus 3x, when we multiply by a negative sign, it will be negative 2 plus 3x. For that, I am taking that one negative sign into the bracket. So this is 2y into 3x minus 2 minus 3 into 3x minus 2. Now 3x minus 2 is common to both the terms. 3x minus 2 is common to both the terms. That 3x minus 2 we are taking outside, remaining 2y minus 3. These are the factors. Right?
Ma'am, how that became 3x minus 2?
That I have explained now. See, a minus b. When we multiply a minus b by a negative sign, what happened? Minus a minus minus plus b. It will become b minus a.
Okay, ma'am.
Positive I wrote first.
Okay,
Same way, negative sign I have taken to inside. So negative 2 plus 3x. Negative 2 plus 3x, we can write 3x minus 2. Positive first, then negative. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I give one more question?
We will do something. Complete this. All of you complete this. We will do some other questions. Shall we move to the next one? Second question. Question number 2, factorize x square plus xy. X square plus xy.
Ma'am, third question.
Third question, factorize. Factorize x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. So which of the terms can we regroup here?
X square plus 8x.
Here we regroup x square plus xy, 8x plus 8y. From the first bracket, what can we take common factors?
Ma'am,
X.
X only, x only. One x we are taking out. Remaining what? One we have taken outside. Remaining is
Y,
y.
xy.
X plus y. X plus y. Because x square there are two x's. One we have taken outside. Remains one x. X, the other term y. X plus y plus from the second bracket we can take 8 outside. Remains x plus y. Again common factor is there. What is the common
X
factor?
plus y.
Yes, x plus y is common. Very good. X plus y remains x
Ma'am,
plus
X
8.
plus 8.
So factors are x plus y into x plus 8. The factors are, you have to write this way. Factors are x plus y, and the question is factorize. No, so we need to write this way. X plus y and x plus 8. Factors are x plus y and x plus 8. Third one, factorize 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2.
It is fourth question. You wrote third question.
Fourth question. Which of them can we regroup? See here, we will try.
15xy, 5y.
It's 5y plus 5y we will write first. Minus 6x minus 2. Because 5 is common in 15 and 3 also common. If you regroup 6x, then also no problem. Still regroup 15xy and plus 5y. And 15xy we can write 3 into 5xy plus 5y. Here both have negative. So negative 3 into negative 6 we can write negative 2 into 3 into x minus 2. Negative 2. Negative. Here 5y is common. Remain is 3x plus 1. 5y we have taken common. 5 and y. And from this bracket, we are taking negative 2 common. Remaining 3x. I took negative 2 outside. So what is remaining there? 3x? Negative 2 taken outside from the second and third. This third and fourth.
Negative is there, no. Negative 2.
I took negative 2. From here I took negative 2. From here also I have taken negative 2 outside. So what is remaining?
X.
X.
3x.
3x is there. 3x
Plus 1.
plus 1. Plus 1. Very good. Okay, correct. Plus 1. Correct. Now 3x plus 1 is again common. 5y minus 2. Factors are 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. The factors are, required factors are 3x plus 1 and 5y minus 2. 3x plus 1 and 5y minus 2.
And can explain again.
Same question. Okay. See, from here 15xy 3 into 5 into x into y plus 5y we are simply writing. And this negative 6 we can write minus 2 into 3 into x minus 2. Minus 2, there minus 2. From these two terms, we are taking 5y outside, remaining 3x plus 1. And here, from these two terms, we are taking negative 2 outside. Remain negative 2 outside. Remains is what? This 3x. Negative 2, actually it is negative 2 into 1. No? So when we took negative 2 outside, remains what? Plus 1. So 3x plus 1 is common. Again 5y minus 2. So the factors are 3x plus 1 and 5y minus 2. 5y minus 2. 15 PQ, this is fifth question now. 15 PQ plus 15 PQ plus 15 plus 9Q plus 25P. 25P. So, which of the terms we will regroup?
Ma'am, the three terms we can
15
read.
PQ.
Right.
No, not 3.
15 PQ plus 15.
15, if we regroup 15 PQ and 15,
No,
there is
no, ma'am,
'Ma'am,
15
15 PQ and 25 P.
25P, because otherwise for this 9Q and 25P, there is no common factor. So, okay, so before regrouping, you have to check the next group also, whether they have any common factor. Okay. So here we will regroup 15 PQ plus either 9Q or 25P. If it is 9Q, there are also common factor 3. 15 is 3 into 5. So here we will regroup 25P plus 15 plus 9Q. And 15 PQ we can write 3 into 5 into PQ plus 5 into 5 into P. 5 into 5 into P plus 3 into 5 plus 3 into Q. Take common factors.
Ma'am, 3 and 5 and
3
PQ.
and 3 and from
Ma'am, first
here
one 5
No,
P.
first one
5P,
5P.
5P. 5P remaining
3
3
3 into 5.
3Q plus 5
1
5.
plus
5.
3 into 5 plus 3Q. 5 plus 3Q, we can write 3Q plus 5. 5P into 3Q plus 5 plus 3 into 3Q plus 5. 5 plus 3Q, we can write 3Q plus 5. Now 3Q plus 5 is common. 5P plus 3.
After this, we should write the factors are
Factors are, yes.
Can you show that slide? Okay, ma'am. Finished.
Next, question number 6. Factorize ax plus bx minus ay minus by. Ax plus bx minus ay minus by. Which of them we will regroup?
ax plus bx.
Ax plus bx.
Okay, that also you can do ax plus bx and this. Ax plus bx minus ay minus by. From the first bracket, we can take x outside. So a plus b remains. And from the second bracket, what
Y.
can we take?
Y.
Took minus y outside. Minus y you can take because both have negative sign. So negative y you can take outside. Remains what?
A
and
and
A plus b. Very good. A plus b. Because both negative we have taken outside. Minus y taken outside. So a plus b. Again a plus b into x minus 5. The factors are x plus a plus b or a plus b and x minus y. A plus b and x minus y. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. What can we do with the 7th question?
Ma'am, z, then
z
xyz,
minus xy.
7 and 7xy.
Which one? Z and xyz.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Minus xyz plus
7 and 7xy.
7xy minus 7 we can, because if it is minus second it is easy. Then no, here
We will take it z outside.
but wait. Here it is x minus xy. Here plus xy is coming. So 1 second. 7 minus will do. Okay. Minus 7 plus 7xy. From here we are taking z outside, remaining 1 minus xy. And what we will take second? Z we have taken outside. Then next from the Next set. What we will take outside?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
negative
7.
7 or negative 7? What you're saying? Which one?
Negative 7.
Okay,
Negative
if
7.
we take
seven.
negative 7 in bracket, first term is negative 7 we have taken outside. So first term is then
X.
huh?
Ma'am, uh,
7.
no,
7
ma'am.
xy.
7.
No, what about
Ma'am,
the
7.
first term?
7. 7.
Wait. If we take negative 7 also, you can take outside. That is correct. Correct. Don't think it is wrong. It is correct. If you took negative 7, what will be remaining there?
X
X
y.
plus y.
Ma'am, 1 minus xy.
Negative 7 we have, yes, Mithun.
1 minus xy.
Correct. You are correct. When we take negative 7 outside, there remains a 1. And here it is plus. But we have taken negative 7 outside. So 1 negative will come there. 1 minus xy. You are correct. I will explain that term again. See, all of you listen to the board. Negative 7 plus 7xy. We are taking negative 7 outside. Negative 7 outside. So remains it is 1. This plus actually is negative. Plus is forming actually by multiplying two negatives. From that we are taking one negative outside. So one negative again remains there. 1 minus xy. Always think that positive is formed by negative. So when we took a negative from positive, there remains a positive always. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Very important point it is. Positive is formed by two negatives. When we took a negative from a positive outside, there remains a negative again. Okay, very important this type of questions. That is negative 7 plus 7xy. We have taken negative 7 outside. Remains, here it is 1. And from plus 7xy, we are taking negative outside. From plus 7xy, we are taking negative 7 outside. Negative, how that negative forms? Negative comes from this negative 7xy. Because this plus is actually formed by multiplying two negatives. From that, we are taking a negative. So,
Ma'am, if you, ma'am, negative 7 plus positive 7 also negative.
what?
Ma'am, negative 7 plus positive 7 also negative.
Negative 7 plus positive 7 is 0. It is 0. It is 0. It is 0. Okay. When we took negative outside, negative 7 outside, there remains 1 minus xy. Now again 1 minus xy is common. Write the factors.
Ma'am, 1 minus xy.
Factors are 1 minus xy and z minus 7. 1 minus xy and z minus 7. When is our next period?
9:50.
Ma'am, 11:30.
11:30.
Okay, before that, all of you study those identities thoroughly and come. Huh? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One second.